Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another video of HTML and CSS complete course. So in this video we're going to talk about the text in CSS. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. CSS has a lot of properties for formatting text: color, alignment, decoration, transform, space, and shadow. So we're going to talk about them one by one. So first, as you can see, which is the color. The CSS color property will add the color to the text, and the text align property will set the alignment for the text, whether it is left, right, or center. The text decoration will add some style to your text, which will be underlined. You can also add a dot or whatever you want. And the text transform will be change the transformation of the text from lowercase to uppercase or from uppercase to lowercase. And the letter spacing will add some space between the letters of the text. And the text shadow will add a shadow to the text. And the first 2 pixels will be horizontal, the second 2 pixels will be vertical, and the third 5 pixels is going to be the shadow, the size of the shadow that you want to add to your text. And the last one will be the color, the shadow color. So when we jump over to the text, as you can see inside the web page, this is the text that we add to the decoration. So as you can see, this one is the underline, which is called the text decoration. The space between these letters, as you can see, they are all upper cases. They have 2 pixel vertical and 2 pixel horizontal and 5 pixel shadow with the red color, and also it has a black color, and it is aligned at the center of the web page. So this is the text in CSS. The next, we have a font in CSS. Font selection is important. Choosing the right font has a huge impact on how the readers express the website. The right font can create a strong identity for your brand. Using the font that is easy to read, the font adds value to your text. It is also important to choose the correct color and text size for the font. So let's add some font style and font family to this paragraph. For this, we are going to use the font. First, we are going to use the font family, and here you can see here we have some font family styles. So I'm going to use this first one. So the next we have font size, which is really important, adding the size to your font. So here I'm going to choose the 30 pixel, and the next we have the font weight, which will make your font bolder, normal, lighter, or whatever style you want to add. So I'm going to add the bold here. And the next we have the font style, what style you want to add, whether it should be normal, italic, and I'm going to use the normal. And the next, let's check what other we have. So now let's save this and let's jump over to the web page and let's refresh this. And as you can see, this is the CSS font property that we have. And let me zoom out this, and you can see this properly now. So that's it. You can also add the font property into your paragraph. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new video when I upload them. And if you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe.